Hello everyone, the topic is the relationship between electric constant K and chi. Chi is the electric susceptibility. So here we derive the relation K is equal to 1 plus chi. So this is a parallel plate capacitor. Here we introduced electric slab. So E naught is the external electric field and EI is the electric field due to this dielectric slab. So in this case, reduced value of electric field is equal to E. E is equal to E naught minus EI. So this is the reduced value of electric field when we place dielectric slab between the plate of a capacitor. So E naught is external, EI is the internal electric field or electric field due to electric slab. So in this case, E is equal to, because we know that the value of electric field for plane sheet, sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma is the surface charge density of a plane sheet. This is the electric field intensity. Sigma over epsilon naught. Here is sigma I for internal, because the electric field is equal to sigma by epsilon naught for plane infinite sheet, and EI is the internal electric field. Here is the internal surface charge density epsilon naught. So this E value is equal to, this is equal to E naught minus, here is P by epsilon naught, because this sigma I is equal to P. This is polarization density of the electric slab. P is the polarization density. How can we write here sigma I is equal to P? Because this P is equal to charge per unit area. So here is I, this is surface charge density of induced charge. This is the surface charge density of induced charge. So that's why here is P. So this polarization density P, polarization density P is, because P is directly proportional to applied electric field, so this is equal to chi epsilon naught E. So here is polarization density. Also this P is used for permanent dipole. So polarization density is directly proportional to applied electric field. We can use here alpha. Also here we can use chi, because in previous article here we use alpha, atomic polarizability, but in this case we use chi. So this is electric susceptibility. This is electric susceptibility. You can choose both alpha and chi for this relation. Both are okay. So say that this is equation number 1. So put this value of P in equation number 1. So put the value of P in equation number 1. We get, so E is the reduced value of electric field. This is equal to E naught minus value of P is chi epsilon naught E over epsilon naught. So epsilon naught cancel. We will left only with E naught minus chi E. So calculate the value of E naught, because this is the applied external field. E naught is equal to E plus chi E. Taking E outside, 1 plus chi, this is E naught. So E naught by E. Taking this E on left side in denominator, this is 1 plus chi. We know that this is equation number 2. We know that by the definition of dielectric constant is the ratio of applied electric field Electric constant is the ratio of applied electric field to the strength of reduced value of electric field. To the strength of reduced value of electric field. So put this value on left side. So this is K is equal to 1 plus chi. This is the required expression which gives the relationship between electric constant and electric susceptibility. This is very important. Thank you.